Hi folks, I'm Jane Pomeroy, Executive Director of RISE, reporting to you all alone from our normally bustling office here in San Luis Obispo to give you an update about how COVID-19 is impacting us over at RISE and the community we're serving. So first, I just want to acknowledge what an extraordinary time this is for all of us. As you might expect, we've been working to quickly adapt our daily operations to mitigate the health risks associated with COVID-19 for both our staff and the folks we serve. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about the impact of this outbreak on RISE services, and as well as our fundraising efforts and how you can get involved in supporting us. So all of our crisis support, advocacy, accompaniment, and temporary restraining order application services are continuing. They're just being provided remotely via phone or video conferencing. Same goes for our clinical counseling program. It's all being provided remotely. So we're hoping there will be very little interruption in the services we provide. Unfortunately, our clinical therapy waitlist is unprecedented. We've got a 6-month and beyond waitlist for folks waiting to see a therapist for the first time. And we are partnering with our local county and public health departments as well to ensure that all guests staying at our shelters are healthy and have access to care in the event they become symptomatic due to COVID-19. In terms of the financial impact of this outbreak, I know everybody is hurting, particularly small businesses and those who, normally contribute a little bit to make a big impact for RISE. Unfortunately, we had to cancel our 2 large fundraising events in the spring that take place in April and May. Our annual spring fundraising event was canceled, as well as our Mother's Day picnic. And those funds normally contribute to the normal operations that we provide day to day. We've also seen an increase in expenses related to this outbreak, including groceries for our shelter. We lost our grocery rescue program because grocery stores don't have a lot to give right now. We've also been working to establish quarantine capacity, which is an added cost. And because the demand for therapy has gone up quite a bit, we are in need of expanding support through our counseling program to shorten that wait list. We know nationwide that domestic violence in the home is spiking right now because folks are being forced to shelter at home with an abusive partner. They've lost support systems like their schools, and it's an incredibly stressful time. So violence is going up, and the need is greater than ever before. This year, with the cancellation of both fundraisers, donations from the community are mission critical. We understand everyone's capacity varies greatly, but if you are in a position to contribute, we would be eternally grateful. And just go to riseflow.org/donate. You can get more information there and learn about how your dollars are being used to support local survivors of sexual assault and domestic violence. So I'll leave you with this. RISE began in 1975 as part of a nationwide grassroots movement to connect survivors to safety using beepers, telephones, and to house those fleeing violence in garages and spare rooms. We've come so far and we've grown so much since then, but we still could not do what we do without the enduring support of community members like you. During this season of great change and uncertainty, we are ever more appreciative of your commitment to RISE and our mission to end gender-based violence in San Luis Obispo County. Thank you for your generous support and stay tuned.